Whiten your teeth with this. Dentists are shaking with this discovery. Spotted or yellow teeth can occur as we age. But also some foods, drinks, and even mouthwashes can stain the teeth. You can whiten your teeth using home remedies and avoiding foods that stain your teeth. What foods and products stain teeth? The cigar is one of the worst cause of putting yellow teeth, besides that is not good for your health. Then follow coffee, tea, fruit juices like grape juice or cranberry juice and soda cola. In addition, all foods that can stain a white cotton blouse can stain your teeth as well. One way to prevent getting stained is to rinse your mouth after drinking. Tips. 1. An easy, cheap and natural remedy for teeth whitening is to use the banana peel. After brushing your teeth, simply rub the inside of the banana peel over your teeth for 2 minutes. The remedy is repeated every day until you have the desired results. 2. There is a popular remedy for whitening yellow teeth, which is to brush with baking soda. However, this remedy, if used very often, can damage the enamel of the teeth, something that does not make the banana peel. 3. Another home remedy for teeth whitening, which by the way, actress Catherine Zeta-Jones has said that she practices, is gently rubbing her teeth with the flesh of a strawberry. The strawberry also contains salicylic acid, so I imagine it works the same way as the banana peel. Traditional remedy for white teeth. 1. Brushing your teeth helps prevent stains and yellow teeth, especially on the gum line. The general recommendation is to brush after each meal or at least twice a day. 2. It is also very important to floss to clean teeth. Electric toothbrushes may be better than traditional toothbrushes to remove tartar and stains on teeth. Consider investing in one of those brushes.